Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install VS Code on AlmaLinux. Open any web browser, then go to VS Code official website, that is code.visualstudio.com. Click on download or select this RPM, or you can go to docs. There you can find the how to install Visual Studio Code on Linux, and see here version 1.95 is available. Okay, so click on RPM or download, both are same. Click on it, then click on RPM, then click on setup, then Linux. See here, these are the commands for the Ubuntu operating systems, but for Red Hat or Fedora or AlmaLinux we have to run these commands one by one. The other ways, you can download the RPM package. If you scroll down, see here we have the installing RPM package manually. Then you have to click on this VS Code RPM package. Once we click on, see, it started downloading. I am cancelling this one. Once we download, you have to go to this downloaded directory. Then you have to run the command sudo rpm-ivh, then give this RPM package name. But we are going with this repository method. Go here, see here, RHL Fedora CentOS Linux distributions. Okay. Now run these commands one by one. Copy the first one. It is going to import the signing key. Then go to terminal, paste it, hit enter. It is done. Now next, run this command. This entire 3 lines is a single command. Copy it, paste it, hit enter. Then update, sudo dnf update, hit enter. This typo, dnf check update, hit enter. It is done. Now install code. Code means VS Code. Sudo dnf install code. See, it is going to download and install version number 1.95 and its size is 136 megabytes. Type and hit enter. See, we have successfully installed Visual Studio Code. We go to Activities, Show Applications. See here we have the Visual Studio Code. You can click on there, or you can simply type code and hit enter to open the Visual Studio Code. See, it has opened VS Code. Okay, let me close. The other way is Show Applications. Click on Visual Studio Code. See, we got the same console. Now select the theme, any one of these, or you can, if you want to see more themes, you have to click on see more themes. Then you have to click on Markdown. By default it has selected dark mode. Select and click on Markdown. Now if you want to create new file, click on here or open file. Okay, and in the left menu, see here Explorer, Search, Source Control, Run and Debug, and Extensions. If you want to install any extension, click on here, then search for the extension. I don't want, just I am showing you. Now click on File, then select New File, then save this file as I'm going to create Python file, and click on this Create File, New File, then select the path. I'm going to create this file in this desktop, then click on Create File. Now provide the Python commands. Just I'm going to print save the file. Now go to terminal, new terminal, ls. See, we don't have files, so go to desktop, cd desktop, ls. See here we have the r2schools.py. Then execute it, Python, then give the Python file. Hit enter. See, these 2 lines are there in this Python script. Okay. So in this video we have seen how to install VS Code on AlmaLinux. For more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.